If you need to write a will in Florida, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly what statements to put in the will, and this will allow your will to be legally bound. So, without further ado, let's have a look at it. If you're writing a will or a last will and testament within the state of Florida, these are some of the guidelines that you should take note of. First of all, you want to declare that I and your name residing at your address in the country of the United States of America and the state of Florida, declare this to be my last will and testament. First of all, we are going to revoke all prior wills. So whatever was done before this, we are revoking everything that was stated there. Also, the appointment of the executor. So I appoint whomever you appoint as the executor of this will in the second section. And then the distribution of assets, which basically is the main part of this will. Here, we want to just add in that we are directing the assets to be distributed as follows. Here you're going to add in a beneficiary's name and a description of assets. Now, of course, this must be as detailed as possible so that you can really define what assets are being distributed and in what way. If you have multiple beneficiaries, you want to add in all of those beneficiaries' names as well as the description of what assets they will be receiving. Also, the last section over here is the signatures and the witnesses. So what we want here is signed at this date in the presence of the undersigned witnesses, and we have your signature, we have witness 1 and witness 2 signature, and then we can also add in their full names if we would like, and you have now a legally bound document, a last will and testament in the state of Florida. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. Now, just a small disclaimer, I am not a legal representative, I'm not a lawyer, I am simply just sharing some advice, some personal opinion. So please, if you need any legal advice, make sure that you consult a lawyer and make sure that you're consulting a lawyer within the state that you are residing in.